Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the Trezor One website. Trezor One is a highly trusted and secure cryptocurrency hardware wallet designed to help you protect your digital assets. In this video, we'll explore the website's features, how to use the wallet, and why Trezor One is an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced crypto users. To start, the homepage offers a clean interface that highlights Trezor One's key advantages, including robust security, user-friendly design, and multi-currency support. You can navigate to the Products section to learn more about the wallet specifications and its compatibility with a wide range of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. The Support section is particularly helpful for users looking for detailed guides and troubleshooting tips. Here, you'll find resources like setup tutorials, FAQs, and customer service options, ensuring you have all the support you need to use your wallet effectively. Purchasing a Trezor One is seamless through the Shop page. Simply add the wallet to your cart, select your region for shipping, and proceed to checkout. The site emphasizes its secure payment options, adding to your peace of mind when investing in your wallet. Setting up the Trezor One is straightforward. Once you receive your wallet, connect it to your computer or mobile device and follow the on-screen instructions to initialize it. You'll set up a PIN code and recovery seed, both of which are crucial for safeguarding your assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Moving back to Trezor One, managing your crypto becomes seamless once the wallet is set up. Use the Trezor Suite app for monitoring your portfolio, sending or receiving funds, and tracking transactions. The platform's intuitive interface makes it a breeze to stay on top of your crypto investments. Don't forget to explore the Security section, where Trezor explains the importance of recovery phrases, cold storage, and open-source software. These features ensure that Trezor One remains one of the most secure wallets on the market. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials and guides. Your support helps us bring you the best content on cryptocurrency tools and resources.